Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you tips for CapCut text animation, especially on how to create dynamic title effect in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created my project as well. And we're going to create dynamic title effect for this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on text button right here and click on add text, and you can enter the text that you want to make it as your video title. And for example, I'm going to type like this. Here we go. Okay, and if you want to change the font, you just need to click on font option right here, but I'm just gonna use this font. And if you want to put effects to your title, you just need to click on effects button right here, and you can select the effects that you like. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. And if you want to explore more effects, you can scroll down, or you can also explore the effects by its category. And for me, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and we can animate our text by clicking on animation. Okay, and there are a lot of animations that we can use for our title to make our title more engaging and more dynamic. And for example, I'm just gonna click on this animation. Okay, and let's see the results, guys. So just press on this check mark button, then we can play our video to take a look on the result. Okay, so just play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create dynamic title effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.